This $10 report, 5 ways to unlock affiliate success, stands out as a valuable and unique info product for several reasons. Checkmark 1. Specialized strategies. It provides 5 distinct and unconventional affiliate marketing strategies tailored for individuals with zero audience, offering a fresh perspective beyond conventional methods. Checkmark 2. Comprehensive insights. Each strategy is detailed with step-by-step guidance, ensuring users have a clear understanding of how to implement them successfully. Checkmark 3. Practical tips. The report offers practical tips and best practices for each strategy, empowering users to apply the concepts effectively in real-world scenarios. Checkmark 4. Ethical considerations. Emphasis on ethical practices, transparency, and maintaining integrity in affiliate marketing, which is crucial for building long-term trust with the audience. Checkmark 5. Author's expertise. The report is authored by Michael Jensen, providing a sense of authority and credibility in the affiliate marketing space. Moneybag, sell it and keep the $10 while you build your own clipboard mailing list. Checkmark 6. Resell Rights. The inclusion of reprint and resell rights allows users to not only benefit from the strategies but also potentially monetize the report itself, adding extra value. Checkmark 7. Dealer keeps the $10 profit and prints the report. Dealer mails the printed copy to the customer. Checkmark 8. Clear terms and conditions. The terms and conditions ensure that the report is treated with respect, maintaining its value and preventing misuse. Checkmark 9. The 18-minute audio version of this report is also available for an additional $10. Contact Michael to buy the audio version. Checkmark 10. Dealers have the privilege of selling the printed copy of this report for $10. Michael is the only one selling the audio version of this report. Checkmark 11. Audio version, $10. Light bulb speech balloon. Potential buyers should consider investing in this report for its actionable strategies, ethical approach, and the opportunity to gain insights from an experienced affiliate marketer like Michael Jensen. Telephone call or text to buy now. Cell phone with arrow 352-286-8014. Copyright 2023 Michael Jensen, Daily Cash Team. All rights reserved. Copyright